Hey, DIYers, today I'm going to show you how to use a Moen Cartridge puller for 1200, 1222, and 1225 cartridges. If you're working on a Moen shower faucet and the cartridge is stuck, this tool will remove it safely without damaging the valve body. Let's go step by step. Step 1, your tools needed: a Moen cartridge core puller, a Phillips screwdriver, channel lock pliers, needle nose pliers with a retainer clip. Step 2, shut off the water. Before touching anything, make sure your main water line is completely turned off. Open the faucet to relieve any remaining pressure. Never skip this step. Step 3, remove the retainer clip. Locate the retainer clip on the valve body tube. Using needle nose pliers, carefully pull the clip straight out. Set aside somewhere safe. If this clip is not removed, the cartridge will not come out. Step 4, prepare the cartridge puller. Take your core puller and unwind it as much as possible. Do not completely separate it. Just loosen it enough so it can attach to the cartridge stem. You'll also need to loosen the outer section of the puller to expose the prongs. Step 5, inspect the cartridge stem. Look at the cartridge stem where the handle is attached. You'll notice a groove, end ring. Make sure it is facing upward. Inside the stem, there are 2 small notches. The puller prongs must slide directly between those 2 notches. Step 6, insert the puller. Carefully insert the puller so the prongs fit snugly into the notches. It should sit firmly in place without wobbling. Step 7, tighten the center screw. Now take your Phillips screwdriver. Begin turning the center screw clockwise. As you turn it, the screw will thread into the cartridge stem. Keep turning until it makes solid contact and grabs the stem securely. Step 8, begin pulling the cartridge. Now start tightening the outer section of the puller. Turn it clockwise slowly and steadily. As you tighten it, the tool will begin pulling the cartridge straight out of the valve body. You'll see the cartridge slowly inching outward as you continue turning. Step 9, when it gets tight, at some point you'll hit resistance. This is normal, especially if there's mineral buildup. At this stage, use your channel lock pliers on the puller for extra leverage. Turn clockwise slowly. Do not force it. Do not over-tighten. Let the tool do the work. Step 10, remove the cartridge. Continue turning and gently pulling outward. Once it breaks free, you can turn the knob portion and slowly pull the entire cartridge out by hand. And there you have it. The cartridge core is fully removed. That's the proper way to remove a stuck Moen 1200, 1222, or 1225 cartridge using a cartridge puller. If the step-by-step guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more plumbing, repair tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.